Hello, I'm Amelia from Coveya, and today I'll be walking you through and showing you our rental fleet in the yard, along with a couple exciting projects that are taking place in the workshop. Here at Coveya, we offer a wide range of conveyors and conveyor systems that are available for purchase or hire to suit your site's requirements. This is the Coveya, a unique rotatable unit for easy transportation. It can safely transport 40 tonnes per hour. Over on the far side of the yard, we store the modular sections for the EasyKit range, a robust and durable conveyor system that can transport up to 250 tonnes per hour. Next, we have the EasyKit Mobile, a flexible system making it the ideal solution for variable discharge heights. The Invader 45 is a powerful, portable and robust conveyor designed for simple plug and play on your site. These are available for purchase or hire. Inside the warehouse is where our excellent workshop team manufactures Coveya's latest projects. This is the Extraveyor, a chain-driven, heavy-duty conveyor that is designed for large volume recycling. Here in the workshop we have the Swan Neck and Flatbed in production. The Swan Neck can transport up to 400 tonnes per hour, reaching an incline of 35 degrees. Behind me is an order being prepared for one of our international distributors. This bespoke, modular, line-shaft powered roller conveyor is the perfect solution for transporting products, boxes and cartons across your site. It is the ideal solution for warehouses, distribution and logistics centres across the UK. Please feel free to contact us for more information or to speak to one of our specialists. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you.